Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking hair, butt length braids and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for all your kind words on my vlog from when I got my hair done. I did see a couple of questions I thought I could easily address in this video, and then also just show you guys what I'm using in my hair. I am not doing much at all, it's so good. I wake up and I go, I get home and I sleep. Oh. Anywho, so in terms of my braider, my hair was braided by my friend Mayowa that you saw in that video. Her details, well, her Instagram was in the description box, but of course I will once again place it in the description box again for you guys. She is not like a braidstress by trade or anything like that. She's just, homegirl can braid, So, if you guys are interested in soliciting her services, okay, you can just go on her Instagram and DM her. At this point, I can't tell you whether or not she'll do it. But I know that a few people have managed to secure some appointments, okay? So go check it out. In terms of the hair, that was also listed in the description box. But don't worry, I got you. I will relist it again. So please do check the description box for all of this information. What else? You guys wanted to know if the hair was heavy. I will have to say, and I give it to Mayowa, the whole time she was doing my hair, I felt nothing. There was no tension. When she finished, there was still no tension. It's been about almost 4 weeks, I want to say, since I've had these braids. Maybe it's 3, who knows? At this point, I don't. But I still have not, it has not been painful whatsoever, and I really, really appreciate that. So the hair, in terms of the weight on my scalp, is very light. I don't feel it on my scalp. However, it does come down to my bum, past my bum. Well, yeah, my bum. And for that, there's weight. Do you know what I'm saying? I can feel that there's hair on my back, but it's not breaking my neck. It's not affecting my scalp or anything like that. So in essence, for braids, I have to say that they are very light. And I did mention that the moment she finished in her house, I was like, oh, they're so light. So they are. Now, let me tell you guys, this hair has given me a new lease on life. Most of you will know that I am a 1B braiding hair girl. Prior to that, I was color 1. I was color 1. That's all I used to use. Then I was like, oh, let me be brave. Let me get 1B. And then I became a 1B girl. But this is the most I've ever done, and I absolutely love it, guys. I don't think you understand. I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, I have been doing the most. But I have a new lease on life, new energy. I just love this hair so much. And in the words of my sister Chiziduro, listen, you cannot come and talk to me anyhow. Are you mad? I am queen. What? I am feeling like a queen. Every time I step out of my house, I feel like a queen. When I wake up and look in the mirror, I look like a queen. I feel like a queen. My plants are literally, your highness, what you saying, queen. Trust me, guys, I just love this hair, and I'm pretty sure you can tell. So let's just jump right into what I've been using on it. It is extremely similar, if not the same, to what I did when I had my braids at the beginning of the year that I did myself. So once again, I am using my mousse, and I'm using my favorite brand, which is the Lotto Body one with the coconut and shea oils. And what I do is that I set my hair pretty much every day, just like how I would with my natural hair. So when I'm getting ready to go anywhere, even if I'm wearing my hair down like this, I'll put mousse on it and put a headscarf, do my makeup, take my headscarf off and leave the house. It just helps to keep all my flyaways down, and I feel like it also keeps my hair quite moist. It adds some nice shine to my roots, because I'm not applying any oil to my scalp. So I just really love this product, and I raved about it in that video, and I'm just gonna rave about it again. I use it. I don't okay, I want to say I've used it on the length of my hair maybe like 3 times. So let's say like once a week I'll use it on the length of my hair, but not on this. I don't use it on this because I don't want the curl to drop too quickly. It has already dropped quite a bit, but I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I'm gonna wash my scalp. I do plan to keep this hair for about 6 to 8 weeks. Usually the most I can do with my braids is like 5 to 6. But I'm just, as the hair's growing out, I just love the way that it looks. It's giving me that kind of like boho, you know, boho chic thing. So I may stretch it and try and aim for 8 weeks. We'll see how that goes. So what am I using on my scalp? I'm using aloe vera juice, my favorite, to keep my scalp nice and moist, hydrated, keep away the itching and all the flakes and everything else. I just put it in a spray bottle and I spritz my scalp. I couldn't find my spray bottle, but yeah, literally I just lift up and spray my scalp, and that's it. Lift up, spray my scalp. I don't like oversaturate my scalp. I don't want my hair to be damp. I just want to mist it lightly, just get some moisture going. And then if I am not using my aloe vera juice because it's not convenient, like today when I couldn't find my spray bottle, then I'm just using the Aunt Jackie's half and half, such a Brit. I'm just using that leave-in spray just to spritz through my hair, spritz through the length of the hair. And that's it, guys. Listen, like I said, I wake up and I go, I come home and I sleep. It's been super easy. And I think that's it. Oh, also, sometimes I will gel my edges really lightly. I don't think I have today. Did I? I didn't. As you can see, it's very natural looking edges right now. But most of the time when I set my hair with the mousse, I put the mousse on my edges as well, and then I just scarf it, so then it just lays down, which makes my life easy. But if I'm trying to have like some cute situations happening, then I use this Got To Be glue that I picked up very recently. Very recently. I think I've used it twice, and so far I really liked it. It hasn't flaked. And then at night when I wash my face, every night when I wash my face, I also wash my edges, just because like it might have debris of like makeup and then oil and sweat and stuff like that, and I don't want the edge braids to have that like gunk at the roots that I hate so much. And it's also a nightmare when you're taking your braids down. So I do wash my edges every time I wash my face. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. I mean, let's just take a moment to appreciate my braids. I'm gonna give you YouTube slow-mo, flicky, inches.
I was on a vibe when I run up on them. Me see you my people, me say come then. Tell all your brethren and tell them bring a friend. Let's run up and jam till the sun out again. I was on a vibe when I run up on them. Me see you my people, me say come then. Tell all your brethren and tell them bring a friend. Let's run up and jam till the sun out again. We getting late in the summertime. More blessing, more of these nights. Vibes into the sunrise. I must be doing something right, cause we were getting lit in the summertime. More blessing, more of these nights.